Hi there, this is Twisty Soundy Sounds YouTube channel, which is back to you. And in this lesson, I'm going to continue with you with the words syllabification and words weak and main stresses. As you see from the title, this lesson will be about three-syllable words, but with weak second syllable and stress on the first syllable. Therefore, it's a continuation of the two previous lessons. I remind you that the last lesson was about two-syllable words, and also the lesson that precedes it's about two-syllable words with the stress on the first syllable. But in this lesson, I'm going to focus on trisyllabic words because the two previous ones were disyllabic. Okay, as usual, here they are. I'm going to start with breaking down the words into syllables and articulate them in an isolated way so that you can distinguish them properly. And then I'm going to pronounce them for you as they should be. Alright, let's start. Customer, customer. Wonderland, yesterday, jeopardy, pantomime, roundabout, venture, positive, colony, custody, prejudice. As you may have noted clearly that I articulated and enunciated the words in a way that you can distinguish their syllables clearly. Though there is a clear demarcation line between these syllables whenever you hear a vowel sound, because the syllabification is based on the number of the vowel sounds. Customer, you have the U sound and then and then A in the end. Therefore, it is a trisyllabic word. Now I'm going to pronounce them as I entitled my video, three-syllable words with weak second syllable and stress on the first syllable. And when I say weak second syllable, I pronounce it in a lighter and weaker way, the same as the last syllable, but I put the stress on the first syllable. Let's practice them. Customer, wonderland, yesterday, jeopardy, pantomime, roundabout, venture, positive, colony, custody, prejudice. Alright, now from the end, prejudice, custody, colony, positive, venture, roundabout, pantomime, jeopardy, yesterday, wonderland, customer. That's it. See you next time and goodbye.